This video will be our exercises and explanation for factoring difference of two squares. I have here numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If you want to try to answer numbers 1 to 5, you can pause the video for a while. Then after answering, you can resume watching. Now let's try number 1. Direction: factor the following polynomials. Notice that x squared minus 25 are both, or the expression is a perfect square and another perfect square. So this is the difference of two squares. So we have x plus 5 and x minus 5. X squared is, square root of x squared is x, and square root of 25 is 5. Next, x squared minus 81. So this is x plus 9 and x minus 9. Number 3, perfect square and another perfect square. Difference of two squares. So we have 6x cubed minus 7 and 6x cubed plus 7. Number 4, 121, square root of 121 is 11. So now I have a squared minus square root of 100, that is 10, and 11a squared plus 10. Or it can be interchanged, the sign. It can be 11a squared plus 10 times 11a squared minus 10. And last, so we have b minus 121 is 11, c, then b plus 11c. That is factoring difference of two squares. Quite easy. Thank you for watching Señor Pablo.